In this video, we will see how to install Visual Studio on Mac operating system. To install Visual Studio on Mac operating system, we need to download the Visual Studio software from the Visual Studio website. At first, open any browser and then just go to google.com. From there, search Visual Studio. Once you search Visual Studio, you will find this type of page. Check the first link where it is showing visualstudio.microsoft.com. Just go there and scroll a little bit and you will find three options are there. The first one, which is Visual Studio. After that, you will see a Windows logo. That is, this is for Windows only. And the last one, this is both for Windows and Mac, but this is Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio. To install Visual Studio for Mac, we need to choose the middle one. This is only for Mac and there is a download button. We just need to click the download button to start downloading the software. Once the software is downloaded successfully, we just need to go to the download location. So I am going to the download location once the software is downloaded successfully. In this download location, we will see the DMG extension of Visual Studio. That means it is the installer of Visual Studio. Just double click on top of the installer and then you will see this type of window. To install the software, we just need to double click on top of it again and then we will see it will start installing the software. Here we will find one type of warning message. We just need to click open to start the installation. So I am going to hit open and then that warning message will be appeared. Visual Studio will continue installation in this way, and different types of message or warning type of message it may come. Just press on OK button and continue button, this type of thing to continue the installation. So this type of warning we can ignore. Now Visual Studio will ask us what software do we need to install. I am choosing only the first option, but you will choose whatever options you need. Once you selected all the install option, then we have to click the install button and the installation process will be started very shortly. The complete installation process, it requires like 2 to 3 minutes. Here if you check carefully, you will see there are two parts. One is downloading and there is installation. So at first it will start downloading all the requirement or required software to install the thing, and then it will start installation. When it will start the installation process, it will ask you a couple of times to put the username and password. At the time we have to put the login username and password of our Mac computer. So just hold tight until it pops up those type of boxes where you need to put the username and password. So here we are seeing it is asking the password. Now we will type the password over here. I am typing the username and password to log in this Mac. You also have to type the username and password of your Mac. Once you complete that step, then hit the enter key or logging. Then it will log in and it will start finishing the rest of the installation process. It will take another few more minutes, not few more minutes, basically fewer seconds, like 30 to 40 seconds more to complete the installation. Now we are seeing the 91% is already completed. So in this way, just hold tight for another few seconds and the process of installation, it will be completed successfully. Once the installation process is successful, then we can close the window. And that's it. In this way, we can easily install Visual Studio on our Mac computer. Thank you for watching.